Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a private, secluded, and unconventional gem located in Godfrey lands, Mandeville. This well-landscaped octagonal residence is for the buyer who is passionate about art and architecture. This design was popular in the 1800s for its efficient use of space and ventilation. This 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom home has artistic charm, energy efficient benefits, and lawn space for a growing family on 0.98 acre of land. Each upper floor bedroom has ensuite bathrooms and access to a balcony with amazing views night or day. There is a ground floor bedroom, study, staff quarters, in-unit laundry area, utility storage closet, rainwater harvesting, and space to add a swimming pool. Enjoy easy access to quality schools such as Bellier, Bishop Gibson High, and NCU. Shopping, banking, restaurants, and highways are also nearby. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, 42 million or US $272,800. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.